TGIF, happy Friday, my YouTube friends and family, and welcome back to another daily work from home job leads video. Or if you're new here, welcome. What this channel does is we search all of the job boards daily, trying to weed through all the scams and cherry pick just the best remote work from home jobs that are hiring right now, and generally share them with you on a daily basis, Monday through Friday. So if you never want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on. And as always, if you're trying to get to any of the pages that I'm sharing, links or timestamps to navigate around the video can always be found in the YouTube description box below the video. In today's video, I know a lot of you are looking for like non-phone type jobs, so that is what I mostly have. We have a content moderator job. I have two different jobs that are really paying you to answer email, do that email customer support with like some live website chat or messaging thrown on to it, but no phones. I also have, if you don't mind being on the phones really, a high paying customer support phone job thrown at the end of this video. So diving right on in, we have the company Miaplaza hiring. Now, please note, Miaplaza only has 12 reviews from past and current employees, so always do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. I always stress that in every video of mine. They do have an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars, though. They are looking for a content moderator. Now, this is going to be a part-time position. They are looking to hire 5 different people by the end of January, so like another week and a half. It's 100% remote within the United States. Everything that I'm sharing in today's video is in the United States. Again, part-time, 20 to 30 hours, and pay is anywhere from $16.91 an hour up to $23.34 an hour. Now, what Miaplaza is they're like an online learning platform. They really cater to like those younger school-age children, K through 8. And of course, when children do anything online, you have to make sure that you keep them safe. So they are looking for somebody to really monitor students' interactions online, addressing any concerns with empathy. So you're monitoring all the student-generated content that is posted on the Miaplaza online platform, including any text that they type, artwork that they post, videos that they post, making sure that everything is just in compliance with the community guidelines. You'll respond to student inquiries on the online platform as needed, addressing any concerns promptly and professionally, just making sure to develop age-appropriate explanations to the children. You'll also kind of help work with the moderation team to redefine or kind of make sure that the content policies are always up to date or always kind of changing to make them better so you can improve the moderation process. Now, one thing this is going to require you to do is stay informed on trends about pop culture so you know how to flag content as needed. So you're going to have to make those quick judgment calls about any content that violates the community standards. They don't require any kind of college degree, just somebody who has at least 1 year of work experience. You do have to have access to your own laptop or computer. You've got to have strong proficiency in technology. You have to be able to use technology, navigate around, kind of know all the social media type different things. Stay up to date again with those current trends, great attention to detail, and of course, great problem solving skills. Now, the next 2 jobs I'm sharing are dealing with really answering those emails. We have Mediavine hiring. If you've never heard of Mediavine, they are an ad company, kind of like a Google AdSense in a way. They work with a lot of big bloggers. They work with like a lot of big food blogs that are out there. If you've ever gone to Pinterest and looked up a recipe and then clicked over to the food blog, all the ads that kind of show up on the website. The same with like when you go to my website to get the links for all of these jobs, sometimes there's pop-up ads or whatever. Mediavine is a company that provides like advertisements on websites, blogs, things like that. They have 86 reviews from past and current employees, an overall rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a payment support specialist, again, remote for the United States. And so those websites or blogs, just people like me who have ads on their site, they are looking for somebody to kind of be that customer support specialist for the payments, making sure that any payment issues are resolved for those publisher websites. And you're going to do this by responding to emails on various payment questions through Intercom and HubSpot, as well as addressing other teams with simple payment questions. You're also going to process payments from these publisher websites in the system, tracking the process and identifying any issues such as failed payments or publishers marked as unpayable. Maybe bank accounts have been shut down and the direct deposits are not going through. So you're really using that email and reaching out to publishers when further information is needed. So you will have to be available on Slack, which I think is kind of like an instant messaging type program during work hours to kind of work with your team, be responsive in your team. Now, when I work from home, my corporate job uses like Microsoft Teams as a way for us to all communicate. So still all non-phone. And they don't require any kind of college degree, just somebody who has 3 years experience with customer service or customer support. They prefer somebody who has some kind of technical support experience, not required though, as long as you do have the ability to kind of problem solve and troubleshoot payment questions and escalations. You've got to be able to use like different software systems like Google Suite or different online communication platforms like Slack. Of course, because this is working with payments, you've got to be good at working with numbers, good with math, great time management skills. Now, pay for this position is listed all the way down at the bottom, but is anywhere from $55,000 a year up to $65,000 a year. Even on the low end with that $55,000 a year mark, there's only 52 weeks in a year, so that's a little over $1,000 a week. Now, another place that is looking for someone to answer emails and do non-phone support is Substack. Now, again, please note Substack only has 13 reviews, so always do your own research. They do come highly rated, though, at 4.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a user support specialist. Now, it says live chat, but when you get down into it, it's live chat and email. Now, what Substack does is they have a platform that helps people publish their own content online. They are looking for somebody, though, to work a Tuesday through Saturday schedule. So please note that you would have Mondays off and picking up on Saturdays. But again, they're just looking for somebody to provide customer support to those creators that are trying to use the Substack platform to publish their content and subscribers via email and live chat. And it kind of breaks down your day. You're going to be doing the live website chat for like half your day, about 4 hours of your shift. About 20% of the time you'll be attending daily meetings with your team, and then you'll be answering emails the rest of the time. So again, non-phone, you're just kind of collaborating with the support team, trying to resolve any user concerns or errors, and of course, escalating anything up that you can't solve to the engineering or product team. So like if there's tech bugs or things like that. Again, no college degree is needed. They're really looking for somebody who can be a problem solver, who loves helping people. You can be a great communicator, work in a fast-paced environment. They do want somebody who kind of has experience with either support, engineering, or working with like product teams. And it says it's a plus if you have like either Zendesk or Stripe experience, or if you have experience with different like online coding like JavaScript or HTML. Not required though, and pay for this position's anywhere from $70,000 a year up to $85,000 a year. Now, next up, we have United Healthcare hiring. United Healthcare probably needs no introduction. They're a huge health insurance company. They have 3,400 reviews from past and current employees, an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote digital content strategist. It does say you can work from anywhere in the United States, but they're really looking for somebody to help coordinate and write their digital content for their online enrollment tool, their drug cost estimator, and their pharmacy part of kind of their website, their provider search tools. So you are kind of writing articles, writing copy, and making sure that you kind of proofread it, because what you're going to be writing in the medical field is going to be highly regulated by laws and stuff. So you're going to proofread and copy edit all content, kind of serving as that key resource for any critical content, making sure it's in compliance, and dealing with any compliance issues that come up from content that is posted online or on their platform that deals with these tools. So basically, if like there is a statement for their provider enrollment tool that says provider enrollment must be done by blah, 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 and that's not true, that's a problem. So you're just kind of making sure all the content is up to date, correct, solving any complex issues that come up. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree for this position. They do kind of want somebody, though, who's had either digital marketing or digital experience for consumers. So making sure that you've kind of had that experience with those communications. Somebody who can work with Microsoft Office products like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, at least 4 years of being able to work with those software products. And somebody who's working in a compliance-driven organization before. So some kind of industry that is regulated by laws, basically. Other than that, you've got to kind of know healthcare or Medicare, kind of understand SEO and how like web copy gets out into the whole system. But pay for this one is anywhere from $71,600 a year up to $140,600 a year. And of course, last but not least, I decided to throw in a high-paying regular phone customer service job if that is your thing. I've asked in the past, and people have said in the comments that if it pays a certain amount, they would be willing to do phone work. So this kind of fits that scenario. Shipt is hiring. Now, please note, Shipt is part of Target. They have 2,800 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer service representative. This is full-time, remote, any location in the United States. And pay goes anywhere from $26 an hour up to $35 an hour. Now, they do say with this one, the hours are flexible and no previous experience is kind of required. So they're looking for someone to basically help do administrative customer service type on their HR human resources type background. You're really going to be the assistant to the human resources manager, maintaining logs of activities and completed work, doing a lot of typing and data entry of employee and confidential information into the system, including financial data. You're going to receive calls, text, and emails on the HR manager's behalf, and just also help kind of like book appointments or flights for the human resources manager. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just somebody who can keep that information that you're working with confidential, someone who is organized. You can kind of prioritize tasks. You're highly self-motivated. You're a self-starter, and you've got to be flexible and adaptable. Now, one thing to note, you do have to have your own computer and internet connection, and you do have to type at least 25 words per minute. If you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. You can always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Sharing is always caring, so please share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.